Good morning, folks. Welcome back to the Woods Miller channel. So we're down in the wood yard again today, back on the sawmill. End of yesterday, we got this 16 footer into a cant. So we're gonna get her fired up here and then get her up into the yard and hopefully into place. And I got another one to do after this, and then cut a few more boards, and who knows, if all goes well today, we might even get a start on the floor of the tool shed. So that would be a real bonus if that could happen today. So got to get that started. So anyway, let's get to her. Maybe overkill just to have a small shed sitting on, but that's a pretty big beam. So folks, we had this one done up already earlier. It's a 16-foot 8x8. It's overkill. This shed is only going to be 160 square feet. It's a waste of wood. So I had it up there. I was like, this is going to look stupid, waste of wood. So I got it back down here, and you're going to just cut it down into a 6x6. And we got a few more boards as well out of that, and that's good enough. So this last one here, we're winding down with sunlight here. It's been a horrendously muggy day and just a ton of bugs, and it's definitely a day where it tests your patience for sure. So anyway, let's get this thing cut up. So folks, we finally got our beams, and we got pretty much all the boards we need to do the floor. So we finally have our start. So here's the rest of the beams. We got a bunch of 2x8s. I'm gonna do the floors 2x8. So it's just gonna be sturdy. They're rough cut, like they're literally rough, and they're not totally perfect boards. They might be, 6 inches on one end, and at the end of 16, it might be 6 1/4. This actually has quite a bit of variance in it. I have it all seams dialed up, but it's still out. I do 16 foot boards on here. I'm close to a 1/2 inch by the end of the board difference. So it's significant. I don't see, the level is fine. Like, I always check the level. It's not level. I still can't figure out what the issue is with that. But my seams on this one, I guess you got joints. They're tight. I've looked at them, so I don't know where the hell that variance is coming from. But anyway, maybe I'll figure out one day, maybe not. I don't really give a shit that much. I mean, for the money, yeah, it should be a little more dialed in than that, but I can make do. I'm not picky with wood. I can still build. As long as I got, somewhat close boards, as long as it's sturdy and, I can store stuff and use the facility and that, like, good enough. Anyway, folks, it's been a long day, and it's always a good time down the wood yard. Anyway, if you checked the video, thanks for checking it out, and until next time.